Welcome to Silent Unity's monthly prayer service for November 2023. I invite you to just take a few moments as we begin to get quiet and still, to let go of all the activities, to let go of any tension we may be holding in our bodies, minds, or hearts. Knowing we come together in prayer. An experience which blesses us, our loved ones, and our whole world. We dedicate this time to those whom we hold in prayer, individually and through Silent Unity. And take time to bless also our world leaders and all those that are experiencing conflict in any shape or form. To know that there is a presence and a power here that is greater than all of this, that is within us and around us, which we connect into together now as we come together in prayer. In the stillness of this sacred time, we unify our mind within divine mind. We acknowledge the indwelling, pervasive presence and power, God. Connecting with and including one another, we become one. One voice, one message, uplifting the world in prayer. And we begin in gratitude. We affirm, my every thought is in harmony with divine love. As I quiet my mind in prayer, I envision every thought bathed in divine love, the harmonizing power. Thoughts transform in the presence of harmonizing love. I am able to see a way where I thought there was no way. I am able to hold my heart open in generosity. I am able to lean into the good and the just in a spirit of harmony as I pray. I pray affirming, God is the health in every cell and system of my body. For God is, and therefore I am divine life. I am whole in body, mind, and spirit. I become aware of the flow of life throughout my body, as my heart beats in perfect rhythm with the pulse of life. Every cell is receptive and responsive to the ever-renewing power of divine life. As I pray. I pray, affirming my mind is steady, unwavering in spiritual strength. Situations may come and go, or circumstances may change from day to day. All the while, I stand steady by the power of spiritual strength. God is my strength, and therefore I am strong. I need not react to life's changes with resistance or defensiveness, for I hold to the truth that is my freedom. I pray, giving thanks, that in every matter I am guided by infinite intelligence. I have instant access to wisdom and understanding as I turn within. Every concern directed to divine wisdom transforms into guidance. Divine intelligence is an ever-present inner resource that I count on in matters small and large. Wisdom and understanding guide my way. I am a radiating center of spiritual peace and confident living. At the core of my being, I am peace. My peaceful mind swiftly calms turbulent thoughts so that I think clearly. My peaceful heart generously embraces my human family. In peace, I flow from moment to moment with purpose, passion, and persistence. I am divine peace. As we close this session of prayer, we breathe a breath of appreciation for the truth that renews and refreshes us. Knowing our oneness with God and knowing our divine faculties of harmony, life, strength, and wisdom, we peacefully proceed into the hours ahead. And we conclude with Unity's prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. Amen.